Stop making these drop-down search bar design mistakes. Here's how to get it right. Drop-down menus are found in almost every interface, from selecting your country during a sign-up to choosing a file format. But when these lists become long and complex, users can be frustrated. Let's explore how to add user-friendly search to an efficient drop-down. When dealing with long lists, always include a searchable input field. Instead of scrolling endlessly through a massive drop-down, let users type directly and find what they are looking for. Even if they are only remember part of the word, the list dynamically updates to show relevant results. It reduces friction, speeds up decision-making, and eliminates unnecessary frustration. Whatever selecting a country, a product category, or choosing a city, a simple search function transforms a massive drop-down into a smooth, efficient, and user-friendly experience. As the user types, the system should automatically filter out irrelevant items in real time. No unnecessary noise, no endless scrolling, just a clean, focused list of relevant choices. This dynamic filtering ensures users only see what matters, reducing distraction and cognitive load. The well-optimized search function isn't just about speed, it's about precision. Show only what's relevant so users don't have to search through a lot of options. Too many options can confuse users, complicating the decision and making it harder to find the right choice. Instead, keep the drop-down concise, showing only 5 to 10 relevant suggestions at a time. This makes scanning simple and eliminates unnecessary scrolling. As users type, the system should dynamically adjust ranking, ensuring the best matches appear at the top. Prioritization like this speed up decision-making, enhance usability, and make the experience smooth and intuitive. In other words, less clutter means more clarity. If searching takes a few seconds, always show a loading indicator. Without it, users may think that the system isn't working and click again, making things even slower. A simple sprinter, progress bar, or message like loading results informs them that the results are on their way. Smooth animations or small visual hints can make waiting easier. Even short delays can affect the experience, so clear feedbacks help users to stay informed and trust the system. Make sure users can navigate the dropdown using just their keyboard. They should be able to use the arrow keys to move up and down the list, press enter to select an option, hit escape to close the dropdown, talk to developers to confirm this works smoothly across different browsers and devices. This isn't just about efficiency, it is essential for accessibility. Many users depend on keyboard navigation, whether they prefer faster interactions or have motor difficulties that make mouse use difficult. If users search and there are no matches, don't leave them hanging. Let them know with no result found message. This small but critical detail prevents confusion, making clear that nothing matches the searches, instead of making them wonder if the dropdown is broken. It is about clear, instant communication. A simple, well-placed message keeps users informed, in control, and able to adjust their search without frustration. And remember, less frustration means better experience. Make it easy for users to start fresh. Include a clear X button so they can reset their input with one click, instead of manually deleting each character. This simple function improves usability, helping users quickly correct mistakes or begin a new search easily. A single tap should instantly clear the text field and reset the drop-down options. This is especially valuable on mobile, where typing can be slower and more sensitive to errors. To do it well, place the X button inside the search bar, aligned to the right for easy access. Make it clear but not distracting. A simple icon with proper contrast and spacing, so it's easy to find without being distracting. A small touch but a big win for usability. Before finalizing your drop-down design, prototyping and testing are essential. With Figma, you can create an interactive prototype, see how the drop-down behaves, how users search, select, and navigate. The key is to test it with real users. Watch how they interact. Do they struggle to find options? Do they use keyboard navigation? Do they notice all the features? These insights help you to refine the design before development, saving time and avoiding usability issues. For further refinement, use AI tools like V0 Board or Lovable to build it with code. This will enable better tests and fine-tuning, animation, interactions, and make it easier for developers to implement your design as planned. Prototyping isn't just extra step, it is how you get a polished, user-friendly dropdown from the start. One of the biggest search experience killers, forcing users to click search or press enter to see result. It slows them down, adds unnecessary friction, and makes the whole process frustrating. Think about it. When someone types a vague or incorrect query, they hit search, nothing useful shows up, so they try again and again. This is a cycle of trail and error that waste time. Instead, use live search. As user type, results should be updated instantly, dynamically filtering options and helping them to find what they need without extra steps. Bottom line, ditch the search button dependency. Let results come to the users. It is a simple fix that makes a huge impact. Ever type something into a search bar and got zero result, even thought you know the item exists? That's probably because the system is too strict with its matching. Case-sensitive or exact match searches are UX nightmare. User makes small mistake all the time, whatever is missing capitalization, skipping an accent, or slightly misspelling a word. But the strict search don't forget these errors. Imagine this. Someone types New York lowercase, but the system only recognizes New York with capital N, so no result. That's frustrating. Or let's say that they type cafe without accent. Should they block them from finding cafe? No way. The fix: make search flexible. Don't worry about capital letters and allow small types. A great search experience doesn't punish users for their mistake. It helps them and find what they need quickly and easily. So if your search is still forcing strict matching, it's time for an upgrade. If users can spot the dropdown right away, they might not be realize it's there. Low contrast, no border, or bad placement can make it blend into the background, causing confusion and frustration. So remember to use high contrast between the text and the background for easy reading, add a subtle shadow or border so it stands out, keep animations quick and smooth, no delays. By implementing these strategies, you can create an intuitive and efficient dropdown experience. Remember, the global is to make the user journey seamless. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to LogRocket for more design tips.